So hi guys, this is Serean. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to make a graphic sketch on my sketchbook that I made earlier. I prepared a reference sketch over here and I'm going to make this sketch over this page. So without wasting time, let's start the video.
Oh, I knew you would call back. You must be missing me so bad. When you left, you said that I don't deserve you, but I can see that you don't wanna lose what we had. Oh, you're the one that I need. Let's just take it slow and just breathe. Loving someone is not easy, you know, but it makes us feel alive, so we go with the flow. Just love me harder, have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder, have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me. Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I need? Can I? Have no mercy on me, just tell me louder. If you're loving me, just love me harder. Have no mercy on me, tell me louder. If you're loving me.
Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, one like will be very appreciating as always. And I've completed making sketch on this sketchbook and I'll show you within seconds. But till there, if you haven't subscribed me on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe it by turning the bell icon so you can never miss my next upcoming video. And also I'm gonna upload these kinds of videos regularly, so make sure to subscribe me and let me hit at least 1000 subscribers on my channel. Say so. This is it.